Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to clean dryer lint filter for your dryer. Begin by turning off the dryer to isolate power before handling internal components safely for safe and reliable operation. Pull the lint filter straight up and out of the dryer, steadily, to avoid stressing nearby hoses, wires, or mounting. Remove lint from both sides of the filter using your fingers carefully to clear the mesh screen before rinsing. Rinse the lint filter under running water until residue is removed and water runs clear across the surface. Allow the lint filter to air dry before reinstalling, so moisture is fully removed before the filter is returned to the dryer. Insert the dry lint filter back into the dryer until fully seated to maintain proper flow, fit, and filtration performance. Finally, turn the dryer back on to restore normal operation after completing all maintenance steps.